Who driving, man? Cause y'all don't even look like y'all can walk. Oh shit, she hit the Heisman on her ass. Oh shit. Lean with it, rock with it. The zombies. Mr. Lee, what's wrong with them?
I don't know, but it's looking good.
Look, hey, Solomon, what's wrong with him, Solomon?
That Yoda boy.
Smile for the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, she can't even respond. Oh, shit. Oh. Bro, what the fuck? No, we going viral today, boy. What that is, y'all, on that Scooby-Doo pop-pop? No. Hey, boy, standing ovation. What the fuck? Y'all both pumping gas? Hey, look, that's real love, boy.
Y'all for real, man. Y'all is out of control.
Look at this shit. What the fuck? You about to doo-doo? Holy shit. Only an Ivor. Yes, sir. No. He woke up. He woke up. Oh, he itching and shit.
Hey. You guys keep pumping the gas.
Hey, y'all ain't finna die in my pump, right?
This lady dead serious, man.
Oh shit, what's she doing?
Oh,
You taking a break?
Lord.
Oh, lay back.
Jeez,
Y'all lucky I'm working, boy, cause they would've caught the crackers on y'all ass. Oh shit, boy. Oh, she hit a split. Oh, little stanky leg. Look, they ain't even pay for gas. They wore off, they back alive. Oh shit. That ass itchy? Damn, girl, you done itched that ass 100 times tonight. Your shoes wet, your ass wet. Oh shit. That's Schmiegel's sister. Look, calm down. Now you're talking about calm down. Look at that. Whoa. What was that? Oh, he away.